Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Fiat 500. This is a new vehicle we got for the channel and we'll have at least 200 videos on this car guys. Our mission is to save as much money as we can. What we'll teach you today guys, how to remove or replace front seat. Now, first thing that you need to do guys, okay, you will need to disconnect your car battery at least 1 hour before you do that. Why? Because the front seat is part of the airbag system and you don't want to cause any damage to the airbag system or anything to blow in your face. Disconnect the car battery at least 1 hour before you do that. We'll have a video guys, how to do it on the channel if you don't know how to disconnect your car battery, and you can see the car was in a little bit of an accident, so we'll be rebuilding this one. Now, we have our battery already disconnected, and once you do that guys, okay, let us show you now that we'll demonstrate on the front left seat, but the front right will be the same. You need to scoot it all the way to the back, and right here in the front corners of the seats, okay, you'll find two bolts with 16mm socket. Okay, one right here and one in the front. Okay, the front right corner. Okay, perfect. This one is out. Now, what do we need to do? We need to scoot the seat all the way to the front. Okay, why we need to do that? Because on the back, okay, there is two more bolts that we need to remove. Okay, with 6mm Allen wrench. Okay, one right there. Okay, removing that bolt. Now if you want to see any specific videos, let us know, we'll try our best to make a video for your specific problem. So, next one more bolt guys, in the corner, okay, this one there. Not the one on the left side, the one on the left is just a glide, kind of like a guide that situates the seat so you can install the bolts. Perfect. Now you need to lift the rear end of the seat up so it can come out of that guy. Okay, and then slide it a little bit. Okay, like that. Next, we need to go towards the front. Towards the front, and right here guys you'll find the wiring harness. Okay, now let me explain, okay, what needs to be done quick. This is the wiring harness. Okay, and on top there is one gray piece. Okay, that, okay, you will need to squish out. Okay, but it's almost impossible. I need to remove the clip from that holder so I can show you a little bit better. Okay, let me. Okay, let me hold the camera here a little bit. Okay, we need to come down because you're pulling the wire too much. If you pull your wire too much, okay, you're going to cause some damage to your clip. Okay, I'm almost out. Okay, I pull the gray piece out and I'll show you in just a second. Okay. This is it guys. Okay, this gray piece needs to be pulled out. You can see about 2mm, and then you press down right here and you pull it out. And the seat guys is ready to come out of the vehicle. Okay, you can see it just like that. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.